What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DollarMike back at again with another video. And a couple of you guys actually did enjoy that public video, that public investing video, basically Twitter and Robinhood put together. It basically gives you the public investing app. It's another investing app. I made a video, or I guess you could say a full-blown review slash overview of public already on the channel right now. So you want to check that video out, make sure you just click right up there. But either way, if you guys want to actually invest with public, I didn't really go over how to buy and sell stocks, shares, ETFs, all that kind of stuff on public. So we're basically going to go over that today in this video. So without further ado, let's actually just get into the video. It should be a pretty quick video because there's a lot less to talk about on public versus talking about Robinhood, Fidelity, Webull, any of those other investing apps, because they offer a lot more than public basically offers. Public, you got to keep in mind, public is basically for the beginner investor. I mean, super beginner investor, even more beginner than Robinhood. So at least that's the way I kind of look at it. Either way, it's definitely a great option for people that are just jumping into investing. But if you're a pretty experienced investor and you don't want to use something like the public investing app, which makes perfect sense, then this video probably isn't for you, but you probably wouldn't have clicked on it anyway. So let's actually get into how to buy and sell stocks on public. Let's go. First things first, I obviously have to open up the public app on my phone, so let's go ahead and do that. Public app, I don't actually have any protection on there, which I need to enable, but normally it'll be Face ID, but either way, I'm in. Your portfolio is up 1.34% today. Basically, it's up $4.21, and my overall portfolio value on public is $317.35. Pretty solid stuff, nothing really crazy. I don't really have that much money in public, as you can probably tell, but either way, it is what it is. That's what I got there for the time being. After you actually finish setting up your account and everything, this is basically the main screen you'll see. You'll see either if your portfolio is up or down for today. You'll also see your portfolio right below it if you have a portfolio, because you might not have one. And if you don't have a portfolio, then you'll probably just see your watch list. But you can see the portfolio tab. I can see all the stocks I currently have in my portfolio, as well as the long-term stocks that are also in my portfolio, and my watch list, which is basically the stocks that I plan on buying in the future. You can see we got DoorDash and Airbnb on that watch list, which aren't public yet, but they should be public in the next couple of days. I believe DoorDash is actually public on the stock market tomorrow if you're watching this video today, so it'll basically be today. And Airbnb will be public tomorrow if you're watching this video the day it's posted, possibly. So yeah, those two, they're basically going on to the stock market. You can invest in them freely if you want to do that now. I personally would wait for a crash because they typically always happen, but we're not really here for all that. So let's get on with it. Either way, here's the rest of my watch list. As you can see, we got Netflix, Nikola, which is coming off, guaranteed. Redfin, C, Shopify. You get the point. Past that, if you scroll down some more, you can see a little bit of a social media aspect of public. Like I mentioned before in my previous video, public is basically Twitter and Robinhood put together. You can have people talk about stocks. You can have full-blown group chats, which I actually have here. If I go on over to my messaging tab and click on DollarMike's Investors, if you sign up using my public link, then you'll basically get yourself either a free stock or part of a share of a free stock. Basically, I got part of a share of Amazon, which is cool stuff there, about $6 worth. And you might say, Mike, that's only $6 worth of Amazon, but you know, you refer people, you invest, it grows. Either way, the money's gonna grow. And if you don't want the free slice of Amazon or whatever stock you may get, you can always sell it and just put it back in your bank account and go about your day. It is what it is. Either way, you're gonna get a free slice of whatever, or a free share possibly of whatever when you sign up with my link down below. But let's actually get into the meat and potatoes of this video, because that's what we're all here for, and that's basically how to buy and sell stocks on public. It is extremely simple. Public did not make this difficult at all for anyone, but you know, you may not know. So here I am telling you. So you can do this a couple of different ways. Obviously, you can need to buy something from your portfolio that's already in your portfolio if you already have that set up, or you can simply go to the second tab over, which is a little magnifying glass. You can click on that, and you can click on the search bar where it says search people and stocks. You will obviously search for stocks, and it'll show you some of those top stocks that you might have just been searching for, or something like that. Either way, we're gonna go and click on one of my recent searches, but you can search anything you want. If you want to type in Amazon, Amazon will pop up once you actually type in Amazon. Cool, there you go. If you want to type in Amazon, Amazon will pop up. If you want to type in Airbnb, you can see it's already right there. If you want to type in something else, it'll probably be there as well. But like I mentioned before, we're going to go ahead and click on one of my recent searches, and that is Torchlight Energy Resources. I do not currently have any shares of this, but I do plan on buying some. I basically got a small tip that this stock could blow up, but honestly, I kind of doubt it. Either way, I'll just go ahead and drop $5 in there just for fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to actually go ahead and click on buy for this stock, and you can see here where it says micro cap stock. As per the SEC, investing in companies with small market caps could be risky. Public is basically just giving you a warning right here that this company isn't really that valuable. So if you want to go and invest in it, that's cool and all, but invest at your own risk, obviously, because it could go under at any time. Basically what it's saying. And overall, basically, that doesn't matter to me in this situation. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide to confirm. Once again, I'm only putting in like $5, so it's not really that big a deal. So let's just go ahead and buy like 10 shares? How much is 10 shares? Yep, perfect. I'll go ahead and buy 10 shares. You actually just type in the amount of shares you want. It'll tell you the share price, 55 cents per share, and 10 shares will basically be the price of $5.52. So we're gonna go ahead and click on buy 10 shares. And I don't actually have enough money right now, which is perfect, because if you don't have enough money to actually buy anything, then obviously you can't buy anything. But you're gonna go ahead and click on make a deposit once you connect your bank account. And I'll actually make a deposit from my checking account of, let's just make a deposit of $6, just to make it even. Make a deposit of $6. It'll come straight from my checking account, and you'll actually be able to use these funds instantly. So you can see once the deposit goes through, deposit initiated, boom, $6, and they'll actually give you this money instantly, so you can go ahead and invest right now. So I'm gonna go back, boom, and make that purchase. I want to buy 10 shares of Torchlight Energy Resources at market price, and the estimated total is $5.52. Confirm, and let's watch it go through. And boom, you just bought 10 shares of it. And it's that simple. I don't actually know if the stock price actually went up from me buying 10 shares, but that's oof. Either way, if you want to go and sell, all you would have to do is do the same exact thing for any stock, not just this stock. You click on trade, and then you would simply click on sell, and you can go ahead and sell however many shares you have, obviously available to sell 10 shares, and you can see it actually went up a penny. So I would actually make money if I sold it right now, like 4 or 5 cents. So look at that. I'm not going to. I'll hold it for a little bit. I'll actually do some more research, but it's $5. It's not going to kill me. Either way, that's that. That's simply how you buy and sell stocks on public. It's very simple, very straightforward, because like I said, they don't have all those different options that Robinhood has, that Webull has, that just make it more difficult to do all this simpler stuff. But there is a lot of difficult stuff, or just more in-depth stuff for investing that you should learn as well. But check out my other videos, because I cover all that in those other videos. So that's kind of that. Once you actually have that stock, you can go right on over to your portfolio, and you can see here's my full portfolio here. You scroll down a little bit, and you can see there it is, Torchlight Energy Resources. I have it in my portfolio now, like all these other stocks that are in my portfolio as well. That's it. That's all I got to tell you. And yeah, if you want to actually try out public, make sure you check out my other public video if you haven't seen it. And if you have seen that video and you still want to sign up for public, make sure you just check that link out down below for public and get yourself a free slice of whatever you get when you sign up. It's that simple. It's good stuff. It's nothing crazy here. This is extremely simple. It doesn't really get much simpler than this. So there you go. There you have it. That's kind of it. That is the whole video. On top of that, I'm pretty sure not that many people are going to be watching this video, but I just want to say I got tons of stuff still planned for the channel. I'm making some really big videos, and that's why the videos coming out this week are kind of like, I feel like they're kind of meh. I mean, I'm still giving you guys the content that you guys want, but they're not like big videos that I've really been planning on making for a while. And those videos just take a lot longer to edit. They take a lot longer to record, things like that. So I'm working on those videos. They'll be out, and as you guys know, I got tons of content. I'm showing you how much content I got for you guys, and it honestly just keeps... I'll never reach a point where like, yeah, I don't have anything to show you. That's never gonna happen. So either way, that's kind of it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit it with a like button. If you did enjoy it, let me know what you want to see down below in the comment section, or on my Instagram, Twitter, all that kind of good stuff. But basically, like I said before, that's it. I'm out. Thank you for watching. DollarMike. The secret word for today is eraser. I know, right? I don't know where I got that from. But secret word of the day is eraser. If you type eraser down below in the comment section, I'll know you watched this video this far, which is super solid, because like I said before, not that many people will probably watch this video. Who knows? We'll see. Anyway, I'm out. DollarMike. Peace.